Hi, in this video, we're going to focus on derivatives of parametric functions. Question number 1, it says y equals to 40 squared minus 5t power 4. And the function x is given as 18 plus t squared. Find dy by the x. Always remember your formula. It says dy by the x equals to dy by the t divided by the x by the t. So in order to obtain the value of dy by the x, we always compare this formula. Now, from this function, as y is a function of t, we find dy by the t. Dy by the t would be 2 times 4, that is 8t. Then we minus 1 from the power. Therefore, we remain with power 1. Then minus 4 times 5 is 20t. Then we reduce 1 from the power, that is power 3. So now compared to the formula, we have dy by the t as this value. Dy by the t equals to 8t minus 20t power 3. Then now we go further to find out the value of the x by the t. Using this given function, x equals to 18 plus t squared. Now, then we find the x by the t using this. Now, as x is a function of t, this implies that the x by the t equals to 18 is a constant real number. Therefore, its differential value is 0. Now we differentiate this t squared. It would be 2t. So now compared to this formula, dy by the x equals to dy by the t by the x by the t, we have dy by the t. Here is the value. And we have the x by the t. Here is it as 2t. So now we use this to find dy by the x. This implies that dy by the x would be, dy by the t is this. 8t minus 20t cubed. Divided by the x by the t is this value 2t divided by 2t. Now here 2 can go into 8 4 times, and still 2 can go into 20 10 times. Still here we have t, it can cancel this, and still here we have t can reduce 1t from this t cube. Therefore we are remaining with t squared here. Therefore dy by the t equals to 4 minus 10t squared. That's it, very simple. Now let's go and try to solve this parametric function using trigonometric functions. Given y equals to 12 cos t and x equals to 4 sin t, we first find the differential value of y equals to 12 cos t. As y is a function of t, now dy by the t would be 12. The derivative's value of cos t is always minus sin t. Now this is dy by the t. Then for this function, x is a function of t. We go further and find the x by the t equals to 4, and the derivative's value of sin t is always cos t. Therefore this is 4 cos t, and this we can write this as minus 12 sin t. So now we have dy by the t and we have the x by the t. So now we just use our formula and find the value of dy by the x, where dy by the x would be the value of dy by the t divided by the x by the t. Therefore this would be negative 12 sin t, negative 12 sin t divided by 4 cos t. 4 cos t. 4 can go into 12 3 times, negative 3. Don't forget with this negative. Then from the trigonometric function, we know that sin t divided by cos t is always tangent t. Therefore here we have negative 3 tangent t. This is it, very simple. If you find out this simple, please do subscribe for more video updates. Thanks for watching.